My channel Chaos Frogs is 1 year old now. I'm Frank and this is the highlight reel of the last year. Enjoy!
54 tags of 10 more, 6 more. I don't think a single turret fell down.
Whoa!
Nasty unpainted side, nice painted glorious side.
This is my 10,000 points army of Chaos Knights, and we will have a detailed view of all of the miniatures in the army.
It's over 9,000!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and whoa!
The corpse pile.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
More and more.
Finger here.
That's what we do on this channel. We paint and 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 we paint. You can't say paint without pain.
Oddly satisfying.
Almost like a meditation sometimes, isn't it? Oh, so good.
I hope you have enjoyed all of the highlights. And thank you to all of my subscribers and people commenting, people liking the videos and everything. And if you want to appease the algorithm god, click this video. Or click the frog here. Or do both. Preferably. See you next time. Bye.